this program has it all. You meet people, you develop your skills with other people, with all culture. I found this university pretty amazing.
The objectives of the Barcelona School of Management Summer School are three. The first of them is to encourage the student to think differently and to develop through all the program a dynamic and new perspective of the principles of management. The second objective is to give the participants the opportunity to share with people of different cultural backgrounds and to live this wonderful experience of a truly international environment. The third objective is to enable the group to enjoy the beautiful and magical city of Barcelona during summer.
The experience is being really amazing. I'm really learning about lots of things, about different cultures.
It's like my first time studying abroad, meeting different people from different countries and learning cultures, and the program is really good.
Barcelona is a must. It has a big diversity. You can find many things to do.
Oh, that's like one of the best cities I've ever met.
I would really want to study here in Barcelona in the future.
There are many good opportunities here, and so I'm sure that I'll go back here.
The summer school is structured in 2 weeks. During these 2 weeks, the students develop an individual project, and in this project they can apply all the concepts learned during the program. Additionally to the academic concept, the students have visits, conferences and other activities that help them to understand better real business cases.
I would really recommend the program to all the people that want to have like an experience abroad and to learn about different things.
It's not only the knowledge you have here, we have a network too. Now I know like 10 different countries people, so it's very nice.
It has been one of my best experiences in my life.